Learn how to use TLDRthis webpage summarizer. To utilize this tool, simply open the TLDRthis website. Once on the TLDRthis page, 3 options are available to you. Uploading your file by dragging it into the box, pasting your desired URL in the text box, and manual text input or paste plain text here. If you choose the Upload File option, simply upload your file by selecting it or dropping your file into the box. Then click the Summarize This button. If you choose the Paste a Link Here option, find an article or web page that you want to summarize, copy its URL, and paste it into the input bar. Click on the Summarize This button. If you choose the Or Paste Plain Text Here option, copy the content you want to summarize from its source and paste it into the designated box. Then click the Summarize This button. After clicking Summarize This, the AI will process your content. This may take several seconds or a few minutes depending on the length and complexity of your text. Once the processing is complete, the summarized content will be displayed. You can read the concise version of your article or text right there.